friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making cottage cheese pancakes. This is a perfect way to add some extra protein to your breakfast by using cottage cheese. Here are the simple ingredients for the pancakes: oatmeal, cottage cheese, eggs, baking powder, salt, and oil for cooking. I also need a frying pan or a pancake griddle. I'm just going to use griddle because it's easier, but feel free to use a frying pan to use your pancakes. And we also need a blender or a food processor for making a pancake batter. So I'm going to heat the oil on my griddle. So I'm using avocado oil. You can also use olive oil or any vegetable oil of your choice. And now I'm going to preheat it. So I put the pancake griddle at 375 degrees. And if you're using a frying pan, you would use medium-high heat. And I'm going to quickly mix up the pancake batter in my blender. So I'm going to add half a cup of oatmeal, half a cup of cottage cheese, two eggs, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And now I'm just going to blend it until smooth. So now the cottage cheese pancake batter is ready and the griddle is preheated. So I'm just going to add the batter to the pan to make pancakes. Perfect, it's making 8 pancakes. So now I'm going to cook it on the side for a few minutes, and then once the bottom is golden brown, I'm going to flip it over and cook on the other side. So now they've been cooking for 3 minutes on this side, and you can tell it's time to flip them when you see the bubbles on the top. So let's flip the pancakes. Perfect. They look so good. So now let's just cook it on this side for about 2 minutes, right till they're golden brown on the bottom. So now they've been cooking on this side for 2 minutes and they're ready. So nicely browned on both sides. So let's take them off the frying pan. Perfect. So let me turn off the griddle now. And let's try these cottage cheese pancakes. They look amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. So when serving, you can always add maple syrup or berries or whatever topping you like. I'm just going to try pancakes as is. They're delicious. Kind of hot. Tastes so good. Such a nice texture, delicious, perfectly brown on both sides, and you can't even taste the cottage cheese. It just tastes like a normal tender pancake. So tasty. It's a perfect way to sneak extra protein in your pancakes. You will love this healthy and delicious breakfast. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!